Hey guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you guys are doing well. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how can you join Open Chat on Kakaotalk app. So at first, just go to the Kakaotalk app. Now in the chat option, click the top second last option, this one, Open Chat. Now here, just select the option that you want to join. After selecting one, just click the bottom join group chat option, the yellow one. And just select Kakao Friends. Click on the top right down option. And here you can see I have joined the Open Chat in Kakaotalk app. So guys, that's how you can join Open Chat on Kakaotalk app. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you very much for watching the video.